Welcome back to Echo to Fluency Shadowcast.
The short English podcast where you listen, repeat, and speak more naturally.
I'm Bella.
And I'm Noah.
Today, we're talking about why we fear change.
Yes, even good change can make us feel nervous.
That sounds strange, doesn't it?
It does, but the mind usually prefers what feels familiar.
A familiar routine can feel safe, even when it is not making us happy.
Exactly. We sometimes choose a known problem over an unknown possibility.
It is like staying in an uncomfortable chair because we already know where it hurts.
At least the pain is predictable.
The unknown is one of the biggest reasons we fear change.
We want clear answers before taking the first step.
But life rarely gives us a full map in advance.
Usually, we only see the next small step.
Past experiences can also make change feel dangerous.
If something went badly before, we may expect the same result again.
But a new situation is not always a repeat of the past.
Right. We can learn from the past without living inside it.
Many people also fear making the wrong decision.
They worry that they will choose a new path and regret it later.
So they stay where they are, even when they know something needs to change.
Doing nothing can feel safer, but it is still a decision.
Change can also challenge the way we see ourselves.
A new job, a new country, or a new lifestyle can make us ask, who am I now?
I get that. Letting go of an old identity can feel uncomfortable.
But we are allowed to grow into a new version of ourselves.
Another problem is that the mind loves dramatic predictions.
One small change happens, and suddenly the mind creates a disaster movie.
We imagine failure, embarrassment, and every possible problem.
Meanwhile, the good possibilities are quietly waiting outside the cinema.
So, how can we handle change more calmly?
Start small and focus on what you can control today.
You do not need to feel completely ready before you begin.
Confidence often comes after action, not before it.
Change may feel uncomfortable, but discomfort is not always danger.
Sometimes it is simply a sign that we are learning and growing.
Now, let's practice some useful sentences about facing change.
Listen carefully, speak out loud, and follow the natural rhythm.
Change feels easier when I take one small step at a time.
I do not need to know exactly what will happen next.
The unknown can feel scary, but it can also bring new opportunities.
My past does not have to decide my future.
I can learn from a bad experience without expecting it to happen again.
Staying where I am is also a decision.
I may feel nervous and still move forward.
I do not need to feel fully ready before I begin.
My mind sometimes imagines problems that never happen.
I can focus on what I can control today.
A new path may help me discover new strengths.
It is normal to feel uncomfortable during a big change.
Discomfort does not always mean that something is wrong.
Confidence grows when I take action.
Change can lead me towards a better life.
Great work today.
You have practiced useful English while exploring a powerful life lesson.
Do not try to memorize every sentence.
Listen again and let the words become familiar naturally.
Speak out loud and copy the rhythm as closely as you can.
Each repetition will make your speaking smoother and more confident.
Keep practicing, keep growing, and stay open to change.
See you in the next lesson.